I have a Whirlpool WRF555SDFZ and the ice maker stopped making ice, but the water still comes out as regular to fill a glass.
When did you last replace your Whirlpool ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
The fridge is from March 2019. The filter was replaced 2 months ago.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool ice maker? What have you tried so far?
About 4 months now. I flushed the line for the water for 5 minutes. And tried to remove the inner ice maker behind the tray, but after disengaging the small latch it wouldn't slide out. Could the inlet line be frozen?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm trying to remove the inner ice maker to check the water feed. How do I remove the inside box?
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Are there frozen cubes in the actual ice maker?
It's empty. I'm assuming if I remove this part I can better figure out the problem, but I can't get it to slide out.
With my experience, either the fill tube is frozen up or the ice maker is faulty. Copy and paste this link. It will look different, but it comes apart the same way. https:/u2.b/6xd Mr. Kun. Let me know what you find.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Keep me posted, please.
Watching now. Thanks much.
You're welcome. Let me know what you find. Are you still there?
Yeah, couldn't slide out the inner ice maker assembly following the directions. Just too tight. I'll definitely break it. And not willing to spray WD-40 in the fridge. Maybe it's still under warranty since it's less than a year. Or what if I let it completely thaw if the feeder is frozen? Would that help?
You have a full 1-year parts and labor warranty on this model. I would recommend calling Whirlpool at. They will send you a factory authorized service provider in your area to help you.
Works for me. It would take me a whole day to reassemble a new insert. Thanks so much for your help.
You're welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble.
All good, thanks. I try to fix whatever I can myself. Until I can't.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.